Hello everyone, my name is Balakrishna. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about ServiceNow. Today I am going to discuss about ServiceNow. ServiceNow. In ServiceNow, especially I am going to explain service catalog. It is very important. It is very important in ServiceNow catalog. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and then subscribe to my channel. Don't forget click on bell icon. If you click bell icon, you will get notification when I upload new videos into my YouTube channel. Now going to start service catalog. What is service catalog? It is very important role plays in entire service now. What is service catalog? In this session, I will explain what is service catalog, how to create service catalog theoretically as usual to do in practical session in ServiceNow PDI instance. PDI stands for Personal Developer Instance. Now service catalog. In the service catalog is also named as catalog item. Service catalog is also same name it as a catalog item. Catalog item short form is called CI. C stands for catalog, I stands for item. That is CI, catalog item. Now, a catalog item is a self service self-service request. Self-service request that end users can submit through the service catalog. ఇక్కడ చూడండి తెలుగులో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. వాట్ ఈస్ సర్వీస్ క్యాటలాగ్ అన్న క్యాటలాగ్ ఐటమ్ అన్న క్యాటలాగ్ ఐటమ్ అంటే ఏంటంటే సెల్ఫ్ సర్వీస్ రిక్వెస్ట్. మనకి ఏదైనా ఒక ఆర్గనైజేషన్లో కనుక మీరు జాయిన్ అయ్యి ఉంటే మీకు ల్యాప్టాప్లో ఏదైనా ఇష్యూ వచ్చినా కానీ, లేకపోతే నెట్వర్క్ పని చేయకపోయినా కానీ, మీరు ఏదైనా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవాలనుకున్నా కానీ, లేకపోతే మీ మెయిల్ వర్క్ చేయట్లేదైనా కానీ, ఎలాంటి రిక్వెస్ట్ అయినా కానీ, ఎలాంటి ప్రాబ్లం అయినా కానీ మీకు వస్తే, మనం ప్రాబ్లం అనకూడదు, దాన్ని ఇన్సిడెంట్ అనాలి. ఎలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్ కనుక మీకు ఎదురైతే అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి, ఎలా రిక్వెస్ట్ ట్రై చేయాలి, దాన్నే సెల్ఫ్ సర్వీస్ రిక్వెస్ట్ అంటాం. మనం ఓన్గా రిక్వెస్ట్ ట్రై చేయొచ్చు. ఆ రిక్వెస్ట్ని ఒక ఇన్సిడెంట్గా అంటాము. దట్ ఎండ్ యూజర్స్ ఎవరైతే యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళు కెన్ సబ్మిట్ త్రూ ద సర్వీస్ క్యాటలాగ్. ఈ సర్వీస్ క్యాటలాగ్లోకి వచ్చి మనం వాళ్ళకి ఏదైతే ఇష్యూ వచ్చిందో, మెయిల్ పని చేయకపోవటం కానీ, లేకపోతే సర్వర్ డౌన్ అయిన ఇష్యూ కానీ, లేకపోతే ల్యాప్టాప్ క్రెడెన్షియల్స్ ఇష్యూస్ కానీ, ఎలాంటి ఇష్యూ వచ్చినా కానీ రిక్వెస్ట్ ద్వారా సబ్మిట్ చేసే ఆస్కారాన్ని ఎక్కడ సర్వీస్ క్యాటలాగ్లో ఉందన్నమాట. ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ వాట్ యూజర్స్ ఇదేం చేస్తుంది, వాట్ యూజర్స్ సి అండ్ click on when they want something. When they want something, especially what they want something, request for new user, request for new user. It is one incident. And then request software access, and create a user account. and so on etc. These are the like it is what users see and click on when they want to something. వాళ్ళు ఏం చేయాలి అనుకుంటున్నారో దాని గురించి మొత్తం ఈ క్రియేట్ ఏ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఫర్ న్యూ యూజర్కి రిక్వెస్ట్ చేయడం కానీ రిక్వెస్ట్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ యాక్సెస్ గురించి కానీ క్రియేట్ ఏ యూజర్ అకౌంట్ క్రియేట్ చేయడం కానీ ఇలాంటి వాటికి మనం ఎక్కడ చేస్తాం సర్వీస్ నౌ క్యాటలాగ్లో చేయాలి. ఇది ఎలా చేయాలి అంటే మనం technically it is a record in the it is technically it is a record. Technically it is a record in the CS is service catalog underscore catalog underscore item table. This is the table name. SC stands for service catalog underscore catalog underscore item catalog item. In this table, if you want to do, we will call it as a record. This record is available in or stored in SC service catalog underscore cat underscore item table. Okay, I hope all of you clear. Do you have any doubt? Please ping in chart. Now another one when a user submits when a user submits catalog item catalog item, it it creates a request item. It creates a request item. We will call it as a RITM. RITM means R means request item. It's short form of request item. Request item and usually one or more tasks. Task is nothing but a task. This is the we will call it as technically it is a record in the SC underscore cat underscore item table. Any record will stored in the tables format only. The table name is called SC underscore cat underscore item. Suppose when a user submits catalog item is nothing but one request for what you want to do in what you want to perform task. It is called catalog item. It creates a request item. If you want to create a catalog, this is comes under the request item. The short form is RITM and usually one or more task is this request. In this request, if you want to perform one task or more tasks also, it is comes under the catalog item. The catalog item is a creator. It creates a request item. In the request item, if you have a one or more tasks is usually do in the request item. Now how to create a how to create a how to create simple example. I am showing simple example how to simple example how to look like. Suppose user clicks request a new request new laptop user wants to request to get new laptop. How it is a new laptop is nothing but a catalog item catalog item. The system creates the system create creates an RT RITM request item that is in sense IT team gets a task to fulfill it. That is the suppose user clicks request new laptop. He wants to get a new laptop, then only he will raise a request for request for new laptop. That is called catalog item. In the laptops also so many categories also there. Catalog item has contains with the number of categories, that is in uh, dell dell as well as samsung, as well as apple, as well as hp. So many different type of items is the placed in catalog item. Then only the system creates a RITM, request item for, then this request item sends to IT team to task fulfill the request. This is the this is the this is the example. This is the request item. How to create a request item? Now different type of items in the service catalog. What are the different type of items placed in the service catalog? Different types of items in the service catalog. If you are able to understanding this, what type of items are placed in the service catalog, you can easily able to understand. First one side, this is the type, and then it is the full name. What is the full name of that item? Now, now, first one is catalog item. First one is the catalog. In the catalog item, what is the full name? Standard catalog item. It is a standard catalog item. Now what is used for? What it is used for? What is what it is used for? It is used for most common request. Most common request. Form with variables. It is most common request. It is a form with the variables. Now, second item. Second one, second type. Record producer. Record producer. What is the full name? Same as the record producer only. Record producer. Now it is what it is used for? Creates a record in any table. Creates a record in any table. Like we are having the tables, that is which tables we have? Incident table, and then user table, and so on. Now, now table also is there. Table. In the table, it is placed in service catalog, cat item table. Now it is same service catalog, cat item producer table, when it is, when when to use, when to use, when to use. It is for normal requests. It uses for when you want to create an incident, when you want to create a new request. Second, third one, record producer. Third type is order guide. Order guide. In the order guide, in the order guide, it is for, it is what it is used for? Same order guide only. Order guide. bundle of multiple catalogs. It is a full name is also under guide. Full name is also under guide. Sorry, type by hobbies. It is in order guide. Type is also order guide. Full name is also order guide. When to use it is used bundle of it is used bundle of it is used when it is used bundle of multiple catalog items. Bundle of multiple catalog items. Multiple catalog items, like that new employee onboarding. That is new employee onboarding. Now which table it is placed? Same sc underscore cat underscore item underscore guide. Guide is the order guide for multi-item request. For multi-item request, here so many items. It is when to use for multi-item, for multi-item requests. Item requests. Now another type is the content type content type. In the content item, it is also same. Content item, when to use just displays information. Just displays information. Now it is in which table it is placed? Sc service catalog. Sorry, it is the content item. It is the in which place? That is in sc service catalog content underscore item table. Now knowledge are how to use articles. It is when to use knowledge are how to articles. How to articles. Now last one is a quick link. It is the last type is the quick link. Same it as a quick link. Then what is the use of simple link to external pages? Simple link to external page or another catalog. The table name, there is no table, and then it is used for the shortcuts. There is no table name, it is used for shortcuts. These are the different type of catalog items. Catalog item, and then full name, and then what it is used for, table, and then when it is used, when to use. These are the different type of service catalog items. Now what I want to do, how to create catalog item in ServiceNow. How to create ServiceNow catalog items, I am going to show you how to create. Go to your personal PDA stands for personal developer instance. In the personal developer instances, first you should search catalog items or service catalog. In the service catalog In service catalog here we will search catalog items. In the service catalog, wait a second, here services and then catalog items is there, catalog is also there, catalogs as well as my items is also there, and then catalog items is also there. Otherwise you should search sc, otherwise you should search sc. Another table name is also sc underscore cat underscore item under dot dot list list. It will real navigate to the another page. This is the all all created catalog items. These are the already created catalog items. In these already catalog items, now here is the list controls, and then it is the show or hide filters, and then it is the show hide natural language filters, and then catalog items context menu, and then if you want a name, which name you want, and then check here name and then check. Otherwise you should say name as a short description, active, category, price, type, whatever you want to name. Here is the name is there, these are all the header names. Name if you want name, column names, suppose if you will call it as a column names. In the column names, which name you want to change, in the column, suppose name, you should say 3 p.m. privacy, or access, or acrobat. As well as whatever you want to, that name you should name as well as change the name. Otherwise short description, and then privacy filter x1 carbon. Otherwise active, true or false, roles if you want to, based on the role name, as well as catalogs, category as well as catalog. There is no type, as well as price updated like that one. If you whenever you want to change based on the name, based on the category, based on the updated date, based on the active, based on the short description, like that one you want to change it. Otherwise another way, if you want here, it shows as a 196 catalog items is there. Suppose in your organization so many thousands or lakhs as well as millions catalog items are placed in your organizations. Why? Because in one day so many requests are requested. These requests are came under the catalog items only. Why? Because that is a, suppose if you want to activate or deactivate, suppose if you want to create, new item, if you want to create new catalog item, if you want to create a catalog item, click on the new item, click on new, it will loading. And then suppose whatever you want to create one name, the one name, it is in a catalog builder. Catalog builder is also there. In this catalog builder, see, in the catalog builder, catalog items are goods. Goods are service available to order order from the service catalog. Items can be anything from hardware like tablets, hardware hardware like tablets and phones, to software applications, to furniture and office supplies. Enter a name and short description to display for the item. Enter a price, approvals, variables, and other information as needed. Suppose once everything you have the data, this data in suppose in real time, this data is totally is from the requirements gathering. This is one task for hardware or software or peripherals. What are the items you want to make a request? This is the way. Now suppose here if you want to change, go to the all and then service catalog. Yes, yes. Service catalog. In the service catalog, suppose simply just click on service catalog, again it will relaunch it to the new page. It is the services. These are the services. What are the services are available? Now services. In the services, document production services, create and product high quality professional documents. Now can we help you? Now suppose if you want to click on can we help you, other as office as well as peripherals, mobiles, desktops, software as well as hardware. Suppose if you want to create new service catalog, just click on this. Just suppose here is the request email alias, access, Cisco, Jabbers, soft phone, standard laptop, Pixel 4a, and shopping cart empty. Suppose if you are at shopping cart, suppose whenever you want to see Flipkart, Amazon, otherwise Zomato, Swiggy, like this only, whatever you want to buy. If you need to add cart, otherwise if you want to book any item, it will uh, if you add to the cart only, like that only. Whenever you want to create any service catalog item, just you should add to the cart, shopping cart, like that only. Suppose whenever you want to create, suppose just click on, you just click on like this only. Suppose if you want to create, now suppose if you want to create, suppose already that is in a business application and account access, business application lifecycle, cables and adapters. When you, what are this is there now, desktops as well as furniture and decor, hardware asset, and giant trollier, office, peripherals, printers, quick links. Suppose just you should click and then just drag it and then add here. Enough. Just click on and then add here. This is the go to the network and standard changes. Then only if you want to create any one of the service catalog like this only. Suppose I will explain clearly in detail in one other sessions. Now it is the new record. Suppose if you want to create a new catalog item as well as new record, this new record is placed in the service catalog underscore cat underscore item. In this table, this is the table name. In this table, whatever you want to create a new record, this is placed. Now this is the way of this is the way of creating. Suppose name of the request. Suppose request for new laptop. Suppose if you want to write name, request for the new laptop, request for new laptop. Suppose catalog. Suppose the short description is also, the short description is also same as it is. Short description is also same as it is. Now catalog shows the catalog. This is the catalog. Which catalog it is? Here the catalog is also there. In this catalog, in the catalog, which type catalog, which type catalogs is comes under the, it is a new laptop. New laptop is the hardware. New laptop is the hardware as well as services. Like so many catalog items are placed in this folder na, in this page. This is the catalog items, services, office, peripherals, and then peripherals. Suppose just you just click in this here. It is hardware, software, desktops, mobiles. Now now it is a desktop item or a hardware item. Suppose here is the hardware order from a variety of hardware to meet your business needs, including phones, tablets, and laptops. Now it is desktops. In the desktop computers for your work area. Desktop is different, laptop is different, mobile is different, tablet is different. Okay na? Now you are able to understanding these the peripherals. What is peripherals, what is hardware, what is software, what is desktop, what is mobiles, what is the services. You should know these meanings, then only you can able to easily create. Suppose it is comes now, we want to create a new record. It is a new laptop is comes under the here. You see in the hardware, order from a variety of hardware to meet your business needs, including phones, tablets, and tablets, phones comes under the hardware service catalog. Now you should select it is comes under the hardware otherwise you should set here, you should set here you should set here the items will um, starts with what way. No for text, there is no text, there is no items, no records display. Now I am closing this one. Now it is comes under the now catalog is the catalog CS series. It is the global catalog CS series. Now it is comes under the global. There is global, not at global or CA services. Catalog CA CA services. Mm, what it happens? Invalid references. No, it is in catalog. Shows the catalogs like global catalog. There is no coming global catalog. Global. No, it's not writing tail. It is a request for new laptop. Request for new laptop. I am not created yet. It is suppose mobile. No, no cell phone catalog. If you are created first, you need to create the catalog. Cell phone catalog. In the cell phone catalog, now you just select here cell phone catalog. Suppose if you are created, otherwise it not able to get the catalogs. Suppose you are it is the catalog items. First you need to create the catalog item first. First you need to create the catalog item first. Then only you should create the catalog item. So first you need to create which catalog. In the which catalog this devices will comes. Now whatever you want to request, this is comes which hardware or service like that only first you need to create. Then only it will comes automate populate. Now once it is selected and then lock it. Now we should get the lock it. It is comes under cell phone lock it and then category. It is comes category. Which category? Which category? HTC phones. Now it is the HTC phones. It is HTC phones. It is HTC phones. Otherwise, you got category and then state as a checkout as owner and then specified and then if you want a short description and then write a meta and then submit it and then meta submit it. Suppose HTC like if you any user search HTC mobiles, then only it will automatically populate. This is metadata. Suppose one metadata. Suppose if you want to keep more number of metadata like separate with commas and then submit like this only we need to create a catalog item in new record. I will explain clearly in detail in all the how to create step by step hierarchy, how to create a catalog item, how to create each and everything. I will explain in the further session. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Signing up, me Balakrishna. Bye bye. Take care.